Hi guys, in this video I will let you know about best address book applications. These address book applications help us to spend less time looking for our contacts and more time connecting contacts. And these contacts are essential to help us to stay in touch, and these applications makes it easier, especially for businesses. Keeping contacts intact is an integral part of its operations. And also we have lost an important contact or suddenly had to replace a smartphone only to realize we didn't sync or backup our contact list. These robust address book help us to manage that. So let's have a look at some of the best address book applications. First application is Cow application. Click on the application. To use this application, create an account by filling out the information. It promises to supercharge your address book using proprietary search tech to fill out each of your contacts' data fields. It will use its integrations to organize your contacts as well as fill in details that might be missing from their profile or contact card. From here you can add the contacts, and you can see here each and every field. It also helps to scan the card. It have the options of favorites, archived contacts, losing touch contacts, recently added contacts, incomplete contacts. You can even create reminders. And here is your profile. You can share your profile. You can edit your profile anytime, and also you can export and backup your contacts. It also checks for changes automatically, keeping your contacts up to date. It is a dense feature-rich experience for free. So use this app. Second application is Contacts. It is an application by Google. Click on Contacts application. It helps to easily add contacts and edit information like phone number, emails and photos and many more. Here you can see that, and also you can have more fields. It is a very systematic application. You will also get suggestions for adding new contacts, cleaning up duplicates and more. Here you can see suggestions. Here you can also view your contacts by work versus personal, and also you can access the contacts in your Google account from any device. Here you can see you can create label, and in settings field you can sort by first name or name format is there, and you can select any theme. You can also manage contacts by importing, exporting, restore, and also you can block numbers. Here you can see you can select on customize view to display the contacts. So it's a must try address book application. Third application is Sync.me. Click on this application. To use this application, first you have to create an account by signing in. It tries to keep your contact management a simple task, pulling contact information from your Facebook and all other accounts to keep the contact automatically updated with the latest profile photos and other related contact details. Here you can see we can connect our Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and also you have call recorder options and spam detector, contact sync, auto backup, call recorder options. Using large set of contact details, this app can quickly ascertain which numbers are legit and which ones are not. You can check this here. You can also block the contacts. You can also add favorite. In addition to monitoring spammers over phone calls, Sync.me also offers spam detection for text, letting you know where exactly these messages are coming from. Here, in the contact list, you can merge, backup, and also change the themes. So, overall, it is a simple address book application which you can use. Fourth application is Contacts Plus. Click on Contacts Plus application. To use this application, first you have to sign up with Google. It is one of the most useful address books we have seen. It combines photos with information from all your connected services like Google, Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, etc. One tap opens a contact card, another calls or emails a friend, and a few more catches you up with their digital lives. Your contacts are all shown with their portrait photo next to them if you have synced, and you can toggle groups and favorites so you can only see the people that matter to you. Contacts Plus features an integrated dialer so you can browse and call right from within the app. Here you can see you can dial a number, you can save the business card, and also you can tag. This app will even merge duplicate contacts to keep everything organized. Here it will show any updates, and also if there are any duplicates, it will also show that. The app supports geolocation via Foursquare and text messages through WhatsApp. And also you have options like spam block. You can block all known spammers and block the numbers which you don't know, and notify when blocking numbers. You can also message through this application, block numbers, and you can change themes, and you can, if you are using a dual SIM, you can change that too. Contacts Plus also has a home screen widget for quick browsing and calling. Displays your contacts in a photo grid or a traditional list. So it is a great app to use. Fifth application is Hiya application. Click on this application. To use this application, create an account using Google account. This application is an excellent address book application to have so that you never forget a number again. This application has a large database of registered users, making phone number discovery a relatively easy process. If you are a customer, you can use Hiya to find numbers of local businesses around you. Working more like an actual book, Hiya also lets you monitor who calls you and block spammers or other harassing users. Here you can see in call settings, you can, in incoming calls, it will show scam and fraud calls, nuisance calls, calls from private numbers, and also it will separately show calls from saved contacts. And also you can manage notifications. It will also show first time identified, make a sound, and have the notification pop up on screen after a call. This application comes with a fairly decent call log feature which can even display the contact image of the person. However, this may require the user to the member of the app. Given the spam identification features of the app, Hiya also works as an excellent caller ID app. Spam alerts are provided instantly so you know which call not to answer. and also the block list appear here. So overall, it is a great application to use as an address book application. All these applications can be downloaded free from Play Store and we can use. Download any one of the application from Play Store and use. Thank you.